Hello children, how are you? Today in our resource room class, we are going to learn how to make fruit chart. Normally children, I take up this healthy activity in the resource room. But because we are all at home and in this situation, this activity is going to happen virtually. So I'm going to conduct this activity in the same exact manner the way I do it in the resource room. And I hope that you are going to repeat this activity at home. So while I do it, please repeat after me the words, the vocabulary words. And once you have watched the whole video, do make it at home with your mother. Now, in this activity, I would be using knife. Now, children, I don't want you to use a kitchen knife, but a safer a safer tool would be your butter knife. So, use a butter knife to cut the fruits. And I'm going to tell you how to go about it. All right? So, let's get started. So, for the fruit chart activity, you need the following things. So, of course, if you are making a fruit chart, you need a lot of fruits, whatever fruits are available in your home, or you can go and get it from the market. So, here I've got some fruits. Now, let's take a look at the other things. We need sugar. We need salt. We need some chaat masala, all right, just to make it yummy. All right, now let's see. We need lemon. Now, the tools that we need a kitchen knife to cut the fruits. We need a peeler. So, this is a peeler. It is used for peeling the skin of the fruits. And here, this is a lemon squeezer, all right, a chopping board, and children, for you, a butter knife. So you can work with a butter knife on the chopping board, all right. While I will be using a knife, you are going to use a butter knife and not a knife. Apart from that, I've got a big bowl here, okay, and a serving spoon. So I think that's about it. Now children, the first step is to wash your hands, okay? So before we start making the fruit chart, make sure that you have washed your hands nicely with soap and water. Now let's wash the fruits as well, okay? So before we begin making the fruit chart, wash your hands and wash all the fruits that you have. So here in the basket, I have washed all the fruits. They are washed. Now let me start. Now children, here I have taken the first fruit. This is a banana. Now, of course, we do not eat the skin of a banana. So I will have to peel it, okay? Peel matlab chilna. So a banana you can easily peel with your hands. So here I am peeling a banana. So here I have peeled the banana. Now I'm going to cut it on the chopping board. So place the banana on the chopping board. And children, now here you can use a butter knife to cut a banana, okay? Because banana is a very soft fruit, so you can easily chop it with a butter knife. So children, you can use a butter knife, though I am not using a butter knife. I'm going to use my kitchen knife to do it. So I'm going to first cut it. Now let's chop this banana into small pieces. So chop, chop, chop. So can you see how I'm chopping? So if you are using a butter knife, you go like that. So chop, 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 and chop. Okay, so here I have chopped banana and I'm going to put it into this big bowl. Now, so this is my chopped banana. Now let's take the next fruit. Now here it is a kiwi. Okay, so of course kiwi also we do not eat the skin. So I'm going to first peel it. So here I'm just using a knife. So this peeling, you cannot do it, children. You won't be able to do it. So let mama peel the fruit for you and then you can chop it on a chopping board. So here I'm peeling it. Now kiwis, they have got a brown skin, but when you peel them, they are green from inside. I have peeled kiwi. Now it's time to cut and chop. Now children, all the fruits have got seeds inside them. So here, take a look how beautiful it is. So when you cut kiwi, inside you are going to see seeds. Alright, these seeds you can eat. ये हम खा सकते हैं. Alright, so I have cut kiwi into two. Now it's time to chop. So chopping means cutting into small pieces. So I'm going to chop kiwi into small pieces. Again, children, you can use a butter knife to chop kiwi. Let me try doing that. Okay, you can do that. And now my kiwi, chopped kiwi, goes into the bowl. Let's take the next fruit, which is an apple. Okay, so apple. Now here children, apple skin you can eat. So that's why I'm not peeling apple. I'm simply cutting it and let's see what we see inside. Now here I've cut apple and as you see, apple also has got seeds inside, right? So this is a tiny seed that you see. Can you see this? Yes, but these seeds, apple seeds, we do not eat. So I'm going to just throw this. Okay. Now children, I have cut apple into small pieces. Now I'm going to chop them. I'm going to chop them into small pieces. Now children, I have chopped the apple into smaller pieces and there goes these chopped apples, the chopped apple into the bowl. Okay. Now this is a musk melon. Okay. Again children, we do not eat the skin. So what do you think I should do? I should peel it. Okay. Alright. So now children, the muskmelon is a big fruit. First let's take a look at the seeds inside. Here. Do you eat these seeds? क्या आप ये seeds खाते हो? नहीं, we do not. So I'm going to just take them out from the muskmelon. Now children, I'm going to cut the muskmelon. And I'm just going to remove the skin like this and then chop it into the bowl. Now the next fruit is papaya. Well, this is a big one. Okay, so here also, because this is a big papaya, I am not going to use the whole of it. So I'll just cut it. Oh, it is beautiful. So papaya, the papaya has got these black seeds. Okay, so take a look. Now these seeds we do not eat, children, so I will have to get rid of them. Let me make it little smaller because it's too big for me to peel. Now I have cut papaya into small pieces. Now I'm going to just peel it here, take out the skin, throw it, and now chop papaya. So everybody just say chop, chop, chop. Now the next big fruit is my favorite, watermelon. Okay, so this is big and heavy. All right, so let's just cut the big fruit. It has got lots of seeds and it is a real juicy fruit. So now children, the seeds, watermelon seeds I'm not removing because they are all scattered. So when you eat, just take them out while they come in your mouth. I am peeling watermelon. You can use a butter knife to chop a watermelon. It is going to be very easy for you. It's a very soft and juicy fruit. Now watermelon is chopped and I'm going to put it into my bowl. Now children, the last fruit of the day is my favorite too. This is mango, the king of all the fruits. It's a summer fruit, so you only get mango in summer season. Okay, so let's get started here. So I'm going to first peel mango because we do not eat the skin. So here now I'm using a peeler. So now here I have peeled mango, and children, now it's time to cut it. Now mango has only one big seed inside. Okay, so children, this is one big seed. Okay, so if you see, it is hard. So this we cannot eat, so we'll have to throw it away. Now it's time to chop mango into small pieces. Now I have chopped mango into small pieces and I'm going to put it into my big bowl. Now children, we have chopped all the fruits as you can see, right? Now it is time to make it yummy. Okay, so I have taken a lemon here and I'm going to cut lemon into two. So here I have cut lemon. Now take a lemon squeezer and squeeze it. I'm sure when you do it, children, you're going to enjoy it very much. So put the cut lemon into it and squeeze it. Fruits. Now children, it's time to make it more yummy. Now here we are going to put sugar. Okay, so take a little sugar and put it on the fruits. Now let's take salt. Salt, we call it in Hindi namak. So take a little bit of salt and sprinkle it. So children, this is called sprinkling. So when you do it, you all, while doing it, say the word sprinkle. Okay, it's time to make it even more yummier. So I'm going to sprinkle chaat masala. So take chaat masala and sprinkle it over your fruit chaat. So let's just mix it. Oh, it looks so yummy, isn't it? Mix it nicely. Can you smell it, children? Over the phone? No, you can't. But then, when you make it at home, do tell me if you could smell anything when you added chaat masala. Was there a smell in the room? And now the fruit chaat is ready to be served. So here I'm taking a bowl and now I am serving fruit chaat. So the fruit chaat is ready.